I'll guide you through the exact eligibility rules, the step-by-step application process, and the instant digital strategy that lets you start shopping before your physical PayPal debit card even arrives in the mail. If you're ready, click the subscribe button and let's get started. First, let's talk about why this card is a must-have. This isn't a credit card. It's a debit MasterCard that links directly to your personal PayPal balance. There is no credit check and no impact on your FICO score to get approved. The biggest update is instant digital issuance. In the past, you had to wait 2 weeks for a piece of plastic. Now, the moment you hit confirm in the app, PayPal generates a virtual version of your card. You can add this to your Apple Wallet or Google Pay immediately, allowing you to use Tap to Pay at millions of retailers while your physical card is still being printed. To get the green light for the PayPal debit card, your account must be in good standing. This means you need a verified personal account. If you haven't already, you'll need to link and confirm a standard bank account or a separate debit card to prove your identity to PayPal's security system. When you start the application, you will be asked for your full legal name, your date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. PayPal uses this info for a soft identity check through their secure partner network to comply with federal banking regulations. Double-check that your mailing address is 100% accurate in your profile before you apply, as changing it mid-process can flag your account for a 30-day security hold. The process of requesting the card is streamlined and can be done entirely from your smartphone. To begin, open the PayPal app and tap the Finances or Wallet tab at the bottom of the screen. Look for the banner that says PayPal Debit Card and tap Get the Card. Confirm your personal details and mailing address. Once approved, tap the Add button to start spending your balance via NFC or Tap to Pay instantly. Your physical card will typically arrive in a plain white envelope within 7 to 10 business days. Once it lands, you can activate it using the PayPal app or by calling the 800 number on the activation sticker. Watch our dedicated video link below. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.